I'm in a stupid amount of debt. Way more than any person who has zero college debt should ever have. I've got about $160,000 of business loan debt, and I also have $40,000 worth of credit card debt. To me, this is like a test of whether manifestation really works or not. I had a really hard year last year. I fell off the ladder and I hit the back of my head and I was super depressed, and my functionality went from pretty high down to maybe 20%. Well, that's definitely not the reason I'm in that much debt, because it takes a long time to accumulate this much debt. I kept having this thought of, if you're gonna put something out there into the universe and try to manifest something, you don't get to choose the pathway to get there. Maybe this is all BS, because I am not at the end of a journey. It's like sitting there one day and this idea came into my head. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is $1 million idea. If I'm really right, in 10 years, everybody who does interior design will be talking about interior design in the terms that came into my head. Again, maybe I'm just full of bullshit. Maybe it's not. It's just a really stupid idea, and I might just delete this. I know I'm just gonna get a lot of hate comments, because that's